Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to try something a bit unconventional and interesting. Normally, rectifiers are built using 1N4001 to 1N4007 diodes. 4 diodes make a classic bridge rectifier. But what if we replace those diodes with LEDs? Can LEDs act as rectifier diodes? Each diode has a forward voltage drop. For silicone diodes, it's about 0.7 volts. For green LEDs, it's around 2 to 2.4 volts. DC output approximates AC RMS times 1.414 minus total diode drops. Because LEDs have higher forward voltage, more voltage is lost in the rectifier stage. LEDs turn on one by one depending on current direction and forward voltage. Advantages: visual indication of current flow, easy fault detection, educational and experimental value. Disadvantages: high power loss, low efficiency, not suitable for real power supplies. If you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to like and subscribe.